Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Steve from UCAN English Tutoring, a pioneer institution that helps you to achieve your desired scores in IELTS, PTE, and OET examinations. In today's video, I'm going to assess one of my students' letter, and then I'll give you the feedback on each assessment factor plus the overall score for this particular letter. Okay, let me go through this. The student has written down, the address is contact details up on the top, so it's good. And she has written down the nursing director, Sprint Community Service, 18 Tambourine Drive, Mount Tambourine, QLD 4273. QLD 4273 can go in one line itself instead of writing down QLD separately. Okay, so QLD, this needs to be moved down to the next line and be placed with the postcode in the same line. So it has to go through, the same line. So you have to write down QLD and then the postcode together in one line. So it's going to be QLD 4273 in one line. Okay, let's go to the next one. She has written on the date of this letter, that is 1 March 2015. That's fine. And then dear Miss Martinson, comma, that's good, regarding Mr. Kenneth Phillips, comma, date of birth 05/05/1969. That's good. I'm happy for you. This format is good. I'm writing to refer Mr. Phillips, who has undergone bilateral lung transplant 1.5 months ago. Although he is progressing well, he requires your follow-up care upon his discharge today. Remember that follow-up, everything is good here, but follow-up is not is one word actually. So you have written down two different words. That's not good. It should be follow and then hyphen and then up. That's the way you have to write down follow up. Okay. Throughout your letters, if you have to write down follow up appointment, follow up visit, and things like that, you have to use hyphen in between, follow and up. All right. Apart from this, the introduction paragraph sounds really good. It doesn't have any grammatical mistakes. Okay, except this, follow up. Socially, Mr. Phillips lives alone in a own fire stairs unit. Okay, in a own 5 stairs unit. Okay, that's wrong. Why? I'll tell you why it is so. Okay, in a own 5 stairs unit. No, in his own five. Is that 5 story unit? 5 stairs unit. I don't think so. In his own unit, I think that's more than enough. You don't need to use 5 stairs. I'll go through the case notes anyway, and then I'll confirm this later. All right. He was divorced 15 years ago. Since then, he has no support from his former wife and son. Okay. All right. So this is wrong. Okay. What you could have done is you could have mentioned, so the whole sentence should have been rewritten. Otherwise, you could have mentioned, and since then, okay, and since then, comma, that should be a comma, okay. All right, ago, comma, since then, okay. So what it must have been written on ago, comma, and since then, and that should be a comma. Otherwise, you have to rewrite the whole sentence, okay. So what you could have done is you could have written down this way: since he was divorced 15 years ago, comma, he has no support from his former wife and son. That's the best way of writing down. So the whole sentence could have been written down like this: since he was divorced 15 years ago, he has no support from his former wife and son. Okay. However, her sister supports him, who lives in the same area. This is again an issue. However, okay, let me rewrite it. However, his sister sorry, sister supports him who lives in the same area. Okay, the way she should have written on is different. Okay, sorry. Okay, all right, let's go through the same thing. I'm gonna copy this and then paste it here, and I'll write it down. Okay, however, his sister who lives in the same area, comma, supports him. Okay, this is the best way of writing down. Okay, however, his sister who lives in the same area supports him. That's it. All right, let's go to the next one. He does his own business and wishes to resume soon. Okay, that's fine. In terms of Mr. Phillip's medical history, he has been experiencing interstitial, I think interstitial lung disease since 2008. He was transferred to the rehabilitation ward after an uneventful post-operative recovery. Okay, so he was transferred to, let's say, he was transferred. Okay, so when you say transferred, it's not 1 R, it is 2 R. You have to use 2 R. Look at this, the way it changes. So he was transferred to. So you have to use double R. Okay, that is what you have to use. Okay, he was transferred to the rehabilitation ward, and then there is a comma that is wrong. After an uneventful post-operative recovery. Okay, so ward, comma, after, that is wrong. So you have to use word after without the comma. Okay, please remove the comma. All right, let's go to the next one. Sorry about that. Although he received minimal oxygen support until yesterday, he exhibits normal saturation with the room air now. This is perfect. The sentence she has written down is really good. This is one of the best sentence structures she has written down so far. Normal saturation with the room air now. Okay, good. I'm happy with that. That's good. Let's go to the next page. During hospitalization, he has developed stage 2 pressure ulcer in coccyx. Okay, so what you could have done is instead of writing down he has developed, okay, you could have used his name. For example, Mr. Phillips has. Okay, that could have been much better. All right, let's go to the next one. Therefore, daily dressing was performed, including pressure relief mattress and cushion. Therefore, daily dressing was performed, including pressure relief mattress and cushion. No, I think this is wrong. I think the support from pressure relief mattress and cushion were also provided. I think so, but we need to check this one. Recently, he commenced. He commenced. Okay. Recently, after recently, you need to place a comma. Recently, comma. Okay. Let's go to the next one. He commenced his medicines himself under supervision. Okay, that's all right. That's good. Also, he can ambulate for a short distance without support. That's good. Okay, in view of the above, could you please provide further care to Mr. Phillips? Perfect. It would also be beneficial to change wound dressing weekly. What is it? Twice? Yes. It's good to. It's beneficial. It's also. It will all. It would be. It would also be beneficial to change wound dressing twice weekly. Weekly twice instead of weekly twice. It's all about placement of words. Okay. There is no grammar mistakes. Weekly twice. You could have used the frequency first. I mean, like the number of times, and then um, the duration. So it's like twice weekly. Okay, that could have been much better. All right, let's go to the next one. So thank you for agreeing to provide further care to Mr. Phillips. Please, should you have any questions, that's good, comma, please do not hesitate to contact me. Yours sincerely, comma, the registered nurse. So she has written on 199 words. I'm very happy with that. So the word limit is good. All right, let's go through the assessment. Okay, one, grammar could have been better because she has committed some grammatical mistakes. Instead of writing down in her own stairs, 5 stairs unit, she could have mentioned in his own unit. And then placement of punctuation marks. Okay, placement of placement of punctuation marks could have been better. Use of articles should be improved. Okay, so you didn't know where you have to place you've used a won, that's wrong. It's again, it's an own. Okay, all right. However, his sitter supports him. Okay, the order of words sometimes, the structure of the sentence isn't that good. All right, spelling mistakes should be avoided. You have committed once, sorry, a couple of spelling mistakes. I think transferred should have double R. Sorry, it should have double R. Okay, and then word after word, so placement of commas and Phillips, weekly twice. It's all about the words. Okay, vocabulary is good. I'm very happy with the way you use synonyms and formal words. I'm happy with that. Vocabulary is good. Connectivity is also good. It's also fair enough. Organization of case notes is superb. I'm very happy with the way that you have done the organization. Okay, so you are able to well structure the case notes, so that's good. Organization of case notes, of writing case notes is good. I'm happy with that. What else? Let's go through this. Vocabulary, connectivity, organization. You have used many sentences in passive form. I'm very happy with that. So passive voice is used in majority of the sentences. That's good. You have expanded all the abbreviations. Okay, I'm very happy with that as well. So it's good to you have expanded all the abbreviations. Very well done. You have done a good job. I'm very happy with that. All right, and yeah, overall task fulfillment is good too. Now, I'd like to go through the case notes to see if you have included all the relevant case notes or not. Okay. All right. Let me go through this. Kenneth Phillips. Okay. These are the case notes. Okay. Let's go through that. So the name Kenneth Phillips. So you have spelled the words correctly. That's good. Give me one moment. It's double L, isn't it? Phillips. Okay. Let's see. Is it Phillips? Okay. That's good. Phillips. Yeah. That's good. I'm very happy with that. That's good. All right, let's go to the next one. Date of birth, that's fine. Lives alone. Yes, builder for 23 years. Own business. Patient has son in UK. Divorced 15 years ago. No support from ex-wife and son. That's all right. Okay. And then interstitial lung disease since 2008. Patient admitted in Sprint Hospital for bilateral lung transplant on 10/1/2015. That's good. Patient stayed ICU post-operation and transferred to the thoracic ward on 21/2015. Patient transferred to rehabilitation ward. That's fine. So yeah, these things are included there, I believe. Post-operative condition. Patient is using NP2L or saturation test and easily anxious and prefers to use oxygen all the times and to stop. Okay, that's all right. And then patient is able to walk 20 meters with the four-wheel walker. Okay. Only request supervision, request minimal assistance with hygiene, assisted washing. Yeah, that's fine. Only requires adjustment for upper and lower dressing. Okay. That's all right. Can't in bubble open regularly. That's okay. Low listeria diet and thin fluids, good appetite, that's fine. Stage 2, pressure ulcer, coccyx, daily dressing. Patient compliance pain, okay, using pressure relief mattresses and cushion. Yeah, so look at this. Pressure relief mattress and cushion. You should have used them, you should have written them down over there. So this case notes, okay, I mean, the way she has written down in her letter wasn't accurate. So she has used, okay, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so she has used it, therefore daily dressing was performed, including pressure itself. Okay, so that could have been removed. That could have been removed a bit. And all right, let's go to the next one. So this should have been like, and pressure relief mattress and cushion were provided. That should have been the sentence. Okay, so cushion relief mattress and, okay, let me write that down. Okay, so here pressure relief mattress and cushion. So instead of that, you should have used it like this, where provided. Okay, where provided. Write this one in place of the existing sentence. Okay, that's wrong. Okay, so you just need to add it here, somewhere here. Okay, all right, let's go to the current medications. That's fine, that's all right, I'm happy with that. 3 times a week, that's okay. And then, yeah, these are the medications. All right, social history, patient lives alone in one unit, 5 stars. Okay. And then good support from younger sister who lives in the same area. Occupation wants to return to work as soon as possible. Okay, that's our reason, nursing homes. So you need to pick up only the important ones. Okay, so that's all good. This morning, that's fine. And then these patient happy not to use oxygen. That's good. That's good. One last time review the oxygen therapeutic reducing. Okay, that's all right. Aim for discharge. That's good. All right. So all the relevant case notes were included. I'm very happy for you. Okay, so using the information right to refer to the community sprint. Okay, requesting ongoing care for this patient. Okay, all right, good. No worries. So I'm very happy with the way that you have written down this letter. Okay, so all the relevant case notes were included. Sorry, all relevant case notes were included in your letter. Congratulations. Okay, let me go through the score, expected score. To me, this sounds like a 300 out of 500 grade letter. Congratulations, you're achieving your desired scores because you're expecting C plus grade, and you should be able to achieve, C plus for this letter. Okay. I thank you for all students who are watching this video. If you find the techniques helpful, please like this video and share with others. If you would like to get regular updates on videos and techniques in relation to OET, IELTS, and PTE examinations, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like to get your first letter assessed at free of cost, please send it to me on my WhatsApp number or mobile number, that is +61468480877, or you can reach me at steve@ucanenglishtutoring.com, or on my Facebook page, that is www.facebook.com/ucantutoring. Thank you for your time watching this video, and I wish you good luck with your practice. Have a good day.